Now we've established that a trademark offers you exclusive rights and protection against other people from using your mark, preventing them from using your mark. But people, not everyone will respect even the law. And that's why it's important to talk about this. And that's why in this module, we're going to be looking at what to do if someone infringes your mark. What do you do if someone infringes your mark? Let's see. If you have a claim over your mark and you find someone else using your mark without your consent, without asking you, and without your permission, I'd usually advise that you get a trademark lawyer involved, because then they can help you out completely. And this is what your lawyer can do for you. You can have them send a cease and desist letter. That's through your trademark attorney. And what a cease and desist letter does is to notify them of the infringement, not just notify them of the infringement, but also warn them to stop using your mark. And if you consult with a trademark attorney, the first thing a trademark attorney will do is help you assess the case, to be sure that you have a case to stand with. And this is where, again, it goes back to the beginning when we talked about a weak trademark. So the trademark attorney is looking to see the kind of trademark you have. Is it a strong trademark that you have? And then they can let you know what your chances of success is in case you decide to take the matter up to court, just in case they are not responsive to the cease and desist letter. But then your trademark lawyer will help you assess the situation and send a cease and desist letter to the infringing company, which ideally the company should respect, especially if you have the legal backends on your hand. And what do I mean by this? Your trademark certificate. And another thing that you can do is to file an objection with the Trademarks Registry. So for instance, if you see your mark, and that's why it's really helpful to have like a trademark attorney on your side, because one of the things a trademark attorney will do for you, if you consult them to do that for you, is to also help you monitor your mark. I mean, you're in business, you want to focus on the part of the business that makes you money, and just let maybe your legal team work on monitoring your trademark. And the annual trademark journal that I talked about, if peradventure the Trademarks Registry publishes a name that is very similar to yours, you get to raise an objection against that. So in that case, if it's the case of a new registration that is about to be issued, a new registration in which a certificate of registration is about to be issued, you get to file an objection with the Trademark Registry, and the Trademark Registry can, look at the case and then make a verdict on that. And another thing that you can do is to seek court injunctions, especially if everything is right on your end. You do have a mark that has been infringed, a cease and desist has not been respected, then you can seek court injunctions to enforce compliance through legal means. And this can include seeking for an injunction, which the court will not hesitate to. I mean, we've talked about the Sanofi's case, that we talked about earlier. And of course, if you decide to take it to court level, you wouldn't just be seeking for injunctions, which is just saying stop using the mark. You probably want to be seeking damages against the infringer, which is where it gets interesting. And what is the summary of this? Even if you have a mark, you have to even if you have a trademark properly registered, there may be cases of trademark infringement, but ultimately you get to take action against people who will not respect your trademark rights. If you're taking this course as a paid course, there will be a template of a cease and desist letter, just depending on the stage that you're in right now, just in case you do not have a lawyer, on your end at this time. So it's just one of the bonuses that we include to this course to help you. Now that you know about handling trademark infringement, we're going to move on to Module 5, using the right attorney. Perhaps you see the need for a trademark attorney, and now you want to know what to look out for in choosing a trademark attorney.